morning. Welcome, everyone. Good morning, chat. Great to see you. How's it going? Welcome, guys. Happy Wednesday twice. Hey, good evening. Good afternoon. How you doing? How do you feel today? How do you feel today, chat? How do you feel today? Great community. Make sure to like the video so we can get those numbers starting. And look at that, guys. We're touching some significant levels here. I mean, we just corrected more than 100 points. Quite interesting. But in the meantime, I'd like to share a video with all the community members pretty much everywhere. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you. Oh, sound is off. What about right now? What about right now? And check the chat. What about right now? Great. So welcome everyone. Good evening, good morning. Thank you so much for joining, guys. We've got a beautiful Wednesday time. Happy to continue our awesome closing on Tuesday. 13 out of 13 accounts profit. We've been handling the whole process very productively. Very, very productively. Thank you, guys. Thank you. This is where we are. We're going to continue trading our 150k YRM accounts, Lucid accounts, Instant Funded, and Lucid Flex. Tap 1 futures as well, Savius, whatever is out there, we're going to continue trading. But we've got this initial reaction here. From the daily VWAP and 200 days EMA for the 5-minute. Watching the price action closely. Good morning, welcome, great to see you. Thank you guys so much for joining. Did you guys expect it like 115 points correction here from today's high, breaking above the monthly opening? Today I'd like to accumulate 150 bucks on this 150k instant funded for the YRM. Let me try to fix it, guys. We have an issue probably. Maybe right now. Let's try to see. Let's try to see. Good. That's great. So that's where we are. Trying to do 150 bucks, not much. I don't know what's the issue. No idea what's the issue, basically. Not even moving the microphone or anything. Yep. $15 is dealing with a very important price level. If we could actually convert the 400s, we're going to be on a good track today, guys. Yeah, Certainly about wire, certainly. The way I touch basically my desk and its millimetrical movements affecting, yeah, careful traders with YRM. 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after. 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after, keep that in mind. Certainly about market makers. I'm scared about it. Grabbing my 2 contracts here. And I'm flat out. $100 made. $100 made. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, let's pick up those numbers. Sign up for the giveaways. And let's pick up those numbers. $100 made so far today. We're trading our YRM accounts. $44 on evaluation. No activation fee. Yellow folder today. We don't have red folder today. Touching yesterday's highs at this level. That's something not to underestimate. Okay, that's good insights, Babar. Thank you. That's good to know. Not seeing much from the current price section. Take it slow today with a such drop. We need a market structure. I don't like this. Right, so I don't like chasing the price action, but somehow I need to scalp some profits today. Grabbing a little short here. Not gonna be that greedy. We don't have red folder news today. Let's go. We got in a little short here. Which could pay it off. all the way back to the previous micro pivot 35. Gold is spiking daily at this hours. Good morning, welcome guys, thank you so much for joining. Everyone, make sure to like the video and sign up for the giveaways. Come on, keep the pressure. Hit the pedal, guys. I'm ready to monetize that. Hit the pedal. Hit the pedal. Few points. 8 points. Eight points and I'm ready. Setting a stop loss there. And we got stopped out. No drop for the moment. No drop for the moment. Good morning. Price action comes back. Wants to touch my targets that I no longer have. Nicely, we've been stopped out there, going very tight on my position. What a beauty, right? What a beauty. Golden pocket sits around 65.70s. About 20 to 25 points from here to the upside for the golden pocket scenario, for the swing we had. Welcome everyone, great to see you on board. Make sure to join our Discord community as well. So in order to participate in the giveaway, you gotta sign up the form. Nah, look at that, guys. Our target would have been nicely touched. Nah, with this movement, right? And with this candlestick and this flat thing, he's short for this liquidity here. We had a nice short. The whole idea was correct. What a silly thing. We do have a previous pivot here. Around a 25. So we're gonna trade our YRM Lucid. It hit your take profit. Good job, man. You made money, right, from the trade. I put a stop loss there because I was afraid of a pretty strong continuation, right? So I put a stop loss here. They brought the price action, wick me out, and then drop it to my take profit, which was no longer existent. That's the name of the game they do. Congrats, buddy. Yeah. So YRM is still running their massive promotions out there. On the 50K, 44 bucks with my code. No activation fee. No payout target once you become funded if you trade evaluations. Or if you buy instant funded, you still have no payout target. Think about it. You just buy something that is funded. For example, a lot of the people go with the big account, 150K, which with my code is 450 bucks. So instead of 540, I still have it at 50% discount, and that makes it 450, right? $90 extra. In this case scenario, you have no payout target, so you have to make for 10 days minimum $150 a day, and that's it. Along with respecting 20% consistency. Max 3 funded, minimum 150 bucks a day for 10 days. So if you're making 2%, 3,000, you can go max payout. 3% of the account size. This is an interesting spot here if it holds for the 1 minute. As long as it holds. Now, it's not an easy momentum here trading it. Got it in a single contract here. A single mini. Nah, gold is incredible, guys. You want to compare gold with Bitcoin, right? Gold is going to all-time high. What a recovery we had. That's insane. We talked about a strength. We talked about the capabilities behind. It's just insane. You do this. Terribly bullish. Terribly bullish, guys. Looks like we don't have any form of bearishness around the end of 2025 for gold, which are things that have been expected by the media. At the time we got this, and then a lower high attached to it, at this very moment, they were calling it dead. They were calling 3,300. On the 17th, 18th, 19th of November here, they were calling it dead. So instead of a continuation, you actually made a higher low and you pushed through a resistance of a trend and you just continue, even today. Even today. Nasdaq is going to try to follow the same pattern. So by the way, for the Nasdaq, the business is not that complicated. We do have a trending resistance line here, right? You can see it from the old, something like this. Like 350 points away from us. It just needs more time. That's what it needs. No payout target. So you don't need to do 5%, 6%, or 7% for you to request your payout. You don't have a payout target like you have for the other prop firms on instant funding accounts. You know, all the firms are usually requesting you to do 6%. That's the average of the industry. They are not requesting you to do 6%. What they're requesting you is to trade for 10 days, minimum $150 each. And that's it. If after your 10 days and $150 each, you're situated on $2,000 in the account, you can take it out. We do have this long here. No longer need those limit orders. Take profit right there at the top. It's a beautiful move, guys. I'm increasing my take profit a little bit, right below the 50s. Yes, exactly. And respecting 20% consistency. Come on, just a little higher. Yes. 10 days of 150. Beautiful, guys. We fully recovered that. We're gonna run the fire show and the fireworks. We fully recovered the loss with a single contract. So the loss happened from 6 minis. Boom. And the recovery came from a single mini. Think about it. Think about it. Hey. That's why a lot of the people go with the YRM, our community members, and everyone is getting paid. You take the account, 450. I do have a video about it. Of course, you can see that on my channel. All the videos about YRM, you can see those guys on my channel. Take the account, 450 bucks, max 3 funded. Whether you have an instant funded or you're just pushing to the funded from a challenge evaluation, max 3 funded on the platform. I mean, with a $6,000 drawdown, do not tell me you cannot do 10 days of 150 bucks minimum. Do not tell me that, because I do not believe you. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. You know, earlier, we should have been on profit with that trade because our take profit was somewhere here, but we've been wicked out. We had a good short, right? We've been wicked out. So don't tell me you are afraid with a $6,000 drawdown on your side. 4,500 daily loss limit, which is a soft breach, to make 150 bucks minimum per day. Even if you do 2,000, you can still request your payout, which is slightly above 1% account growth. It's an 150 grand account. Like, don't tell me that is not possible. This is the easiest way of making money today in the prop firm space. YRM, instant funding accounts. Yeah. Don't worry about blowing the accounts. The odds are going to be on your side for the long term. We also lost accounts. Yeah, the long-term story is different, guys. It's certainly not possible to make money without having costs, without having bad experiences or negative times. No updates on the Ticktick. So the 100K from the YRM, you say? 100K straight to funded? Comparing the prices, the 100K is not worth it compared with the 150K. It's not worth it. I'm living in Budapest, Hungary. Good job right there from Hollywood. Hey. Big Frank, so 100K is not worth it comparing the prices, right? Just compare the prices. Not the prices that you see, but the prices you get with my code. For the 100K, 449 minus an extra 74 discount. Let me see how much is this. 449 minus another 74, 375. 30 days inactivity for Lucid, Mr. John. 375 for 100K. With my code. Versus 450 on 150K, right? That's exactly $75 extra. So you pay 75 bucks extra for what? For an extra $2,000 max loss. It's not worth it to save 75 bucks and skip or miss $2,000 extra max loss. Look at that one. Right? Look at that one. It's not worth it. It's not worth it, guys. I'll get back to your messages, guys, a little later. There's a lot such agents going on here. It is a huge industry. A lot of that. Thank you, guys. 450. So my code gives you 50% off from the total price, and that's 450. Maximum 3 active accounts. Ticktick Trader, no news for the moment. We're big fans of YRM and Lucid, guys. Huge fans of both. Tap One Futures been doing... You know, yesterday we made... How much did we make? Like $6,000. On the Trade-Evade accounts for the Tap One Futures Simpro 150K. You're welcome, buddy. You can have 3 funded on YRM and unlimited evaluations. Your 3 funded are total from both categories, whether you have instant funded or you gain funded from passing a challenge. Totally from both, 3 funded. And you can do nicely copy trading. For example, Volumetric, web platform, top right corner, this boy right here, trade copier, that one. Turn it on, leave the settings on neutral, do not change anything. Untouched. Just put your parent account and child account, and then start a trade copier. Could be an interesting spot here, guys, for a continuation. I'm grabbing a single contract. Welcome, buddy. Hopefully they recover. I don't have news, and They gotta search for new data feed. They need new trading platforms. They need to reorganize the whole business. And I have been told that this is going to take around or approximately 2 months, right? So January is going to be a full work, probably with at least to mid-February. A lot of the work into that. If they have solutions in this time, they're going to get back strong. If they're not going to find solutions during this time, I don't know the answer. I have not been communicated anything, but I hope they do. Even, for example, the trading platforms, you know, YRM is running on DX feed, right? Look at that. Even if you grab this ones, plus Rhythmic, Ninja, TradingView, you're fine. We got Quantower here, we got Volumetrica, we got a lot of the things, ATS, and DX feed is running nicely, guys. Adding another contract to this. Yesterday was pretty rough. Pretty rough out there. We were down 3,000. No, yesterday we were down only 2,500 on a Lucid Flex account that got funded. Yes. Stop loss right there. Stop loss right there. Let me sell a contract. Let me take that $75. Like I said, I'm happy today with 150. I've been down 500 on this one. Putting the trailing right there. Beautiful. The upper target has been touched. 265 profit. That's it. We're not going to trade this account anymore today. We're going to celebrate because we're putting the daily lockout. Boom. Hey, it's not much money, but it's enough. It is enough, guys. Let me share with you why. Look at a table performance here. This is basically the net P&L column where the days, right? Yeah, you got good conditions to trade. Well, this was day number 6. So we need 4 more days. And we're going to do daily lockout. You have this right there. You can nicely edit the risk as well. Have a daily loss, daily profit, weekly loss, weekly profit. A lot of the things, guys. So the platform is pretty smooth. It's going to be right there trying to hold on to the times when there's no longer going to be Project X. Daily lockout for today. No more temptation. Trading the other account. Thank you, guys. Make sure to like the video. Yeah, we'll go for the payout. Look at that. We just got to the golden pocket here. Bitcoin is trying to move as well. Thank you, guys. We gotta take care about a lot of the accounts. We gotta take care about a lot of the accounts. And the biggest deal... Oops. Oops. Look at that. Testing out a little short. Just a single contract here. I'm out. Nah, that's just 20 bucks. Ho ho, look at that. Look at that long wick. Grabbing another short here. Stop loss and break even. And a take profit right there. We touched the break even. Still have $30 there. Reshorting this. Nah. I put the break even too quickly. But it's pretty undecided, I would say. It's pretty undecided, I would say. Better stay away from this. We had a fat finger game. 40 points. Good morning, everyone. Make sure to grab our Discord community. What's up, guys? Good money has been made today. All the way back to the monthly opening, 482. So we dropped 110 points, and we're trying to reverse this on a V-shape. How acceptable is that? Smashing through everything. How acceptable is this, guys? Grabbing a little long here. Let's see. I'll try to take profit a little higher. Yep. Unlimited evaluations. But still 3 max funded. Beautiful, we hit the target 165. Obviously, we're going to celebrate that one too, guys. A target is a target, especially if you do daily lockout. Come on. Boom. Keep the fireworks show. We're hitting 165. Look at that. Let me switch to the account. Let's see how many days do we have here. We have 5 days. So this one has 5 days. And the other one we traded earlier is having 6 days. It's not bad, right? Our highest day is 1,015, so we'll have to do slightly above 5 grand. Which means I do need some bigger days in the future. Right, I do need like 2 or 3 days close to 1,000 right now. Yeah. We'll still have to do about 3,400. 3,300 to hit that 20% consistency, because I made 1,000 in a day. In my first day, actually, with this one. And we still have an account here. What a lovely rejection. It is under the water. Which means it's below the initial balance. We made money on it yesterday, and so good morning, welcome everyone. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring up those numbers. Like and subscribe. Streaming from Monday to Friday. 2 massive rejections on the 5-minute here. Monthly opening is not a joke. Take me back into 444, yesterday's high. We haven't traded our Lucid accounts yet. 150k direct instant funded. We have 3 of them. And then 2 flex accounts that we're trading on Quant Tower. Well, let's just take it step by step. No rush. No rush. You gotta take your time and take your shots. Testing a little short here. I'm going to grab my short from Lucid. 150k instant funded. 3 minutes short. In case we break below the 60s, that's what I'm attacking. Like momentum below the 60s. Five minutes short on YRM.
Order filled.
I'm adding a little bit here. $46. I'm gonna be out at 47. Let's see, Mr. Knife Art. I'll be out at 47 on my Lucid. 150k instant funded. If we get that, I'll be out there. See, this is dirty price action. Adding more to this.
Filled.
So I'm going to be out earlier, 4:51. 10 points needed here, guys. Come on, let's crush that 60s. 54, 53, we're out for the YRM on 53. If we successfully take that 60s out. We've been receiving some flat demand support there. We need to wipe that out. 460s, come on. If they do this, I'm not gonna like it. I need a move like this. With a loss of the flat 60s. That's what I need. Hopefully market makers can hear me. Not a bad idea, a retest of 75. They give you that opportunity. $20 minutes to go when the market opens. We're pretty still. Come on. Time to nosedive. Cliff. Stop loss break even. $90 profit on the stop loss. Same thing here. Couple of more points for the YRM. Couple of more points. 3-4 points there. And some more over here. Looks decent, guys. We broke below the 60s. Not yet confirmed. Might be just a fake. Did we touch the profit here? Not yet. Not yet. About to hit that 1,000 as much as it's needed. Moving my take profit here. Right above the wick. Moving my take profit here as well. Because the gap between the wick we made and my previous level of break-even is an unnecessarily distance.
Order filled.
Yeah, it has been touched. 275 profit here. 110 profit on the other side. It's a risky level. So we have handled it from a risk management standpoint pretty good. Thank you guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. There is a gap of exactly 90 likes. It's about level here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Ho ho. No. Look at that silly explosion. Yesterday's high, 444 right now. Time to bid this.
Filled.
Same thing here. I'm bidding, guys. Yesterday's high.
Order filled.
Daily loss limit touched. Yeah, I have a 2,000 daily loss limit that I set from the settings. 2,000. I set into my daily loss 2,000 yesterday. Yeah. Let me grab my Quantower with a Lucid Flex accounts. Daily loss limit that I set at 2,000 got me stopped out. Let's see if we get a double 1 minute candle rejection here. Otherwise, I'm going to sell. Otherwise, I'm going to exit. Stop loss right there. Right below. Accepted basically a partial loss. You got the seconds option from what I'm able to see. Seconds, minutes, hours. We got lucky here. We got lucky there. Look at that one, guys. We got lucky there. It is, yeah. Nicely melting. Let's see if we get a continuation on top of the green candle we just had. I've DC'd 2 contracts here. Let's see if we get that continuation. Grabbing a little long on my trade of 8 as well.
Order filled. Order filled. Rejected. Order filled. Rejected. Order filled. Rejected. Order filled.
Micros here on trade of 8 on this accounts. Yeah. Order fills. This is Top 1 Futures Trade of 8 accounts, 150k Sim Pro. It's not looking bad for a spike. Which is why I'm longing also 2 contracts, guys. On my Quant Tower Lucid Flex account. Longing 2 contracts here as well. 2 minis. This is this one. We made yesterday 1,300. We got 2 150k Lucid Flex funded. We passed actually 5, but we only had room for 2 to activate. The other 3 are paused. Right? And this Lucid Flex accounts are just insane because they have no target and no consistency on the funded stage. You buy them as a challenge, you pass the challenge, you have no target, no consistency on funded stage. The only thing you need is, depending on the account size, but 5 days of trading on the funded stage, and that's it. Right? Look at our trade of 8, guys. I'm testing some micros and trade of 8. You know, just for testing out something, that's why. Yesterday we made $6,000 from micros. Here's our YRM trade. All the way back to grabbing some more
order filled
here. You don't need a buffer. No, it's just $100. It's insane, guys. And my new Lucid video, how to get to 27,000 bucks a month, has been filmed on my channel. We recovered from here, guys. Look at that. We're at the break even, actually. My trade of a trade is on $500. I'm gonna leave this open. Look at that, $700. Volumetrica is back in profit. Let's see if we can cross the 45 here. And my Quant Tower is also around 330 bucks profit too. Let's see, guys, can we push above? Can we push? Can we push a little bit? I'm cutting 2 contracts. I'm cutting 2 contracts. 1 more. So we're sitting on 3. 1 more. Sitting on 2 contracts. Stop loss break even. Take profit. There you go. 240. I'll exit from here quite soon. From our trade of 8.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
And I'm gonna exit. You know, we still have some trades.
Order filled. Order filled.
We sold it all. We have 652. You can see that total P&L 652 on a trade of 8. That's not bad, right? 652. And I'd like to share with you our Quant Tower. Stop loss break even. We have $365 profit here, guys. Come on. Not selling anything. We got 2 minis long. I'm leaving it open. This is no consistency. No activation fee for the Lucid Flex accounts. It's incredible, guys. It's a unique product. Unique product. No consistency and target underfunded. I have a review video about it. You can find it out. This is their current promotion. Those are the best prices. 40% off on a 50K, which is at $78. No activation fee. Leaving it open on 2 minis. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure to like the video. Come on. Not gonna DCA here. This could be an interesting spot to DCA. But I'm not doing it. I got 2 minis and I'm fine. I'm fine for the opening on 2 minis. If we survive. Nah, $68 profit. We didn't survive till the opening. But that's still fine, guys. $68 profit here. We made money on the other side too, and you perfectly saw that. Trade of 8. We recovered from our bigger loss here for the YRM. So that was a great... Boom. That was a great session of trades we had. Trade of 8, 652 on 2 accounts. We copy traded. Yeah. Testing out along here on 2 contracts. Looks like an interesting spot for a continuation, guys. Doing the same thing on my Flex accounts. Looks like an interesting pressure that came in. Could easily get into the 65. Could easily. Three minutes to go and the market opens. 3 minis long here. It's not looking bad, right? If we successfully clear the 50s, we're going to be on a good track. Stop loss and break even. Stop loss and break even, guys. Around 43. And we got into the trade here. Oh. Oh. Our Quant Tower got a break even, that's fine, but here we didn't put a break even. I don't like this. I have to get out. Nah. And probably this is happening before the opening. And then it just spikes. I don't like this. I sold basically partially. Giveaway starts a little bit later. For the opening, might get into this levels here. Yeah. Selling pressure triggered right before the opening. I'll put some limit orders. We got some limit orders sitting there. 10 seconds to go. Here you've got the opening. One has been filled. I'm putting break even. One has been filled nicely. We're printing money, guys. Break even has been touched. Rebuying it here, a little lower, around the 400s. Single contract. Yeah. Around the 400s. Not adding anything to this. I'm gonna DCA right there if it comes. Actually not. Put a stop loss. Put a stop loss on my entry, guys. Yeah. Beautiful, right? Look at that. You guys ready to make some money here? Look at what we have on the YRM. Hey, look at that one, guys. I'm selling 2 contracts. Stop loss, break even. We touched that. Could have been a little better, right? Back into my long here. Stop loss break even. They wiped me out earlier on break even, of course. And we jumped back into trade as soon as I saw the wick. As soon as I saw the prompt reaction once we crossed the previous wick. Moving my stop loss below the current opening of this green candle. So we're trailing a few points, not much. But that's going to be something, right? We should actually cross that 50s and have a nice relief movement. We could actually just close out here and be happy with 600 bucks. Yeah, 222. 222 profit. Actually, the minimum profit needed is 150. Sorry, it's 250 on this 150k Lucid Flexes. So it is not an easy context here. Yeah, this is an extremely important level, guys. The place I haven't circled, I told you. We dropped there. It's an interesting level. Could have secured 2 trades with at least 400 bucks on the Flex account. You know, I wouldn't exclude a 380s. I wouldn't exclude a 380s. I'm shorting here. It's risky. Correct. I'm going for 380s. Stop loss right there and break even. We touch it. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. That's how you participate the giveaways. And of course, you want to sign up the giveaway form. What a lovely drop, right? Let's look into the 15-minute, guys. 15-minute. $330s. No money has been lost on the drop we had here. We just touch quite of an interesting level. So I'm testing out something and I'm out here. We made about 300 bucks. We're also making money here, right? And I'm out. We made like $500, guys. On the Lucid Flex, we made like $500 profit. And that is absolutely lovely. On a Lucid Flex 500, we made 708 net profit today. This is the second day. We already got 2,000 totally. Boom. It's not bad, right? Let me connect the other account. I'm still gonna bid along here. Enter another long. Got in another long here too. Beautiful. Stop loss and break even. Let's just make money, guys. Come on. Let's just make money with that one. Stop loss higher than the break even. We need a 74 and we celebrate. Give me that 74. Yeah, 367. Now, we made some money. We just cleared a whole loss and we're $50 profit. You know, I'm putting a limit order here. Right below the whole thing. It's no longer needed. Gotta do market order, backing along. Wondering about the possibilities of this level holding. It's still continuing, guys. Grabbing some longs here.
Order filled. Rejected. Order filled.
On trade evade.
Order filled.
Some micros.
Order filled. Order rejected.
Why did you reject it? Trade evade is rejecting my orders here.
Order rejected.
I don't know why. We'll have a limit order entry there. No, but we made profit on trade evade. No daily loss. We don't want to have a loss there. Huh. We made profit on trade evade. We have a $201 profit. So it's not possible to reject me for daily loss.
Order rejected.
Test it out again. It's rejected.
Order rejected.
We had a $200 profit there. Yeah. I'm DCA'd right there, another contract. Let's see if we can get to that 38. If this level holds and gives us a push to 38. 4 minis is a lot here, guys. It's a little bit too much, certainly. Okay. We'll have to verify that. I don't want to see weakness here, because then we clearly have a pretty strong continuation. And the market is going to be painful if it wants to continue on 4 minis for me. Right? There's some pressure. Yeah, we don't know yet if it's sufficient, guys. Some pressure, it certainly does exist. Not fully convinced if it's sufficiently powerful. Grabbing a single contract long here.
Order
On my
filled.
Ignite accounts and tap on futures Project X. Just a single long. You know, 535 for the profit on the 335 exit. Beautiful, guys. Come on. Come on. Keep going.
Order filled.
Keep going. That was so close. Oh my god, that was so close. You know, we touched the profit here. $532. But on the other side, no. Look at that crazy thing, guys. Oh my gosh. That's an absolute mess. Adding a contract there. I like the way it has reacted. I like it. Nah. We got stopped out. We got stopped out on 3,700 and we were on profit on this one. Extremely overexposed, getting down to today's low. Look at that one. Yep. Look at that. Since we opened, we just smashed through everything. That was my chance there to exit. Few ticks away. Yeah. Incredible. And those ticks were sufficient for this account to bring in the target. Huh.
Order
Pretty
filled.
decent level. Going for that 500 stop loss and break even here. I'm out for the
Order
moment.
filled.
272 profit. Yeah.
Order filled.
Having my long here.
Order filled.
We got sucked out.
Order filled.
Back into the long there. Holds, we're gonna be fine. Let me fix it, guys.
Order filled.
Yeah. What about right now? We got to touch the target here. Beautiful. We touched the profit here. 541. Market spiked. Market spiked. And we touched the target. Not bad, right? Look at that rejection. Absolutely lovely. Now, it did work Project X on my side. Didn't have issues today with it. Thank you guys for joining. Everyone, make sure to like the video, otherwise you cannot participate in the giveaway. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, and make sure to fill up the form. 200 guys out here, 136 likes. There's 60 missing. You want your 59. Wouldn't be bad. To get a nice runner. Would certainly not be bad. Nah, break even touched. A lot of the break evens touched. But look at the price section here, guys. On the 15 minutes. 5 minute looks like this. Let me take it to 5 minute. Oh, now I get it. I was thinking about some price action, Jake. I was thinking about some kind of price action. Yeah, I'm watching it closely. Interesting Bitcoin reaction. Look at that. What's happening, guys, on Bitcoin right now? $1,600 pump. Why? What happened? And why is it doing like that? Look at that, guys. What's happening with it? Gold is running back. With every single move like this on the BTC, we start talking about a possibility of the bull season. And you know, we just talk about the possibility is always there, no matter what. The possibility exists, no matter what. Yeah. Guys, something happened right there. Something did happen with the BTC. Solana is moving to Ethereum. Pumped $100. Market's having something. Just about a red candles in the 5-minute. But the one we have right now with 4 minutes left, big chances to make it green and all the way back to the daily opening, at least 330s. And then the push continues, right? Let's see if I smell it right. Let's see, guys, if I smell it right. Can we just release? Got in a little long here. Got in a little long here. On my Flex account. Hey, got in a little long here on my Flex account. Look at that. And you did reverse once again. Deny. Look at a wicks on the 1 minute, guys. That's just terrible. All those wicks on the 1 minute. Nothing above 305. Nothing. Nah. That's silly. It's going. But it came back to wipe me out. It's going to 330s daily opening, yet it came back to wipe me out. We had 4 minis. Market makers are watching, guys. Look at that, 333, there you go. Market makers are watching the stop losses on the stream. Keep saying this thing still, we have people getting angry. Telling me and trying to lecture. How do I say that? Told you, 330s, look at that. Yeah, I have to find the pedal. It's hiding somewhere. I just don't know the location yet. BTC is pumping $2,000 in 5 minutes. You know how does the pump is going to be to the all-time high? You blink twice and BTC is at 130. Not today. Oh my god, we had 4 minis open on the Flex account and they pushed it back to my trailing. You see? If you trail, you miss out on a big money. If you don't trail, you can say bye-bye to your accounts. Sooner or later. If you don't exit, the same story. The account disappears. Daily opening. Massive candle on the BTC. Straight to 100 grand soon. I don't know what's happening, guys. But there's something going on. Even Solana. Solana managed to pump 15 minutes 4%. Yeah. It's pretty wild. If you made too much, lose it. Quickly lose it. Do not leave it like that. Nah, you don't need to do extra work to cover it. Just lose it. It's the best thing you can do, to lose it. Do not put yourself in a situation to do extra work for no extra benefits. You know, the digital money is not the same with real money, guys. You know, all the numbers we see here, just because we have an extra 3 grand in the account, do not mean we have an extra 3,000 in the pocket. No. And if you're making too much in a day, means you have to keep up the same level within the upcoming days. What happened, guys, with your trading? A lot safer to lose it. You got burned down. You got burned down while BTC is in a pumping season. Something started. We're getting back, guys, to yesterday high sooner or later, 444. But do not get wiped out in this choppy area. This is going to be a choppy area. The time we release the pressure, we're pushing. ZIL. This is what we have here. So we have the EMAs, and I'm using it 200 EMA. Daily opening, weekly opening, monthly opening. Volume weighted average price on the daily, on the weekly, 12 months. Dynamic swing entered from Zayerman. High-low yesterday. With all the settings. Last week's low, last week's high, today's low, high, yesterday. You know, all that stuff coming through. That's what we got basically turned on. We also have London session pivots. Yeah. London and New York session pivots, which is helping. These are usually the things that I'm keeping active. Lock yourself out, guys. Best choice, best solution, best decision. Price action is doing dirty games on us. We don't want them like that. I mean, the majority of my trades were good. That 3,700 here is the only account I messed it up. And the only situation I actually... And we've been in profit there. Think about it. On that account, just like 20 seconds before, we've been in profit. It was just I was not actively handling it. Can we get the next 5-minute candle green? What do you guys think about? Can we get the next 5-minute? Listen up, guys. Can we get the next 5-minute green? Because if we can get... Look at that. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. No consistency. No target. Keep it printing. Keep it going. No consistency. Let your winners run. Lucid flex. Here we are. Lucid flex. Let me take your money. Lucid flex. We're break even. and I'm letting this one run. If the market makers are watching again and hitting my trailing break even and then taking it all the way to 440s, I'm not selling this. I'm not selling this one, guys. I'm leaving a runner here, making buffer for 5 payouts in this trade. Ah, there you go. There you go. And now it's pushing back up all the way to 400s. We're not printing anything because this is silly. But let me tell you something. Grabbing a little entry here. Yeah. It was a lot, man. They are. Should have closed partially, right? We're gonna leave this open to the moon, but we only have a single contract. Adding one more to it. Come on. Look at the price section here. We gotta clear that daily opening, 330s. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Yeah, let's put a break even. Let's put a break even. There you go. We got the break even. Let's leave it for a good runner. All the way above 400s. I'm not touching it, guys, below 400s. Might be taking maybe a single contract off. Might be. Might be. Might be. If they reverse this one once again back to my entry, it's 100% scripted and rigged. And how you dare talking about a duck race on being rigged, guys, when the market makers are doing this? Look at that. This is the 4th or the 5th time we don't break out there. Look at that, guys. How rigged is this? There you go. Look at that daily opening. So BTC is doing this, right? It's doing $3,000 pump. Other cryptocurrencies are going wild. And our Nasdaq is not capable clearing that daily opening. I don't want to chicken out. I'm not afraid of the market makers, even though they watch our live stream. I'm so angry. Look at that. They're going to break above that daily opening today. We're not going to sit below. The question is when? 8 p.m. EST time? It's not a bad thing, Maddie. Correct. Not a bad point. It's a lot easier for me to get 1,005 times than 5,000 once, right? It's a lot easier. Look at that. So let's see. Make sure to like the video, guys. We'll steer down. We're missing 30, 40 people. We're gonna chop till the point of clearing the 330s and flying to the 400s. But I'm gonna do the giveaways soon. I'm gonna do the giveaways soon. Do them giveaways soon. What's happening on the gold side? Nicely holding around the 75, 80s. US dollar is gonna bleed today. What about this candle, guys, on the 5-minute? Are we gonna have the solution on this one? We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time, with daily giveaways, live trading, and a lot of the great stuff, including the educational part. Let's go, come on. Got in a little long here, guys. It's not actually that little, it's 4 minis. Let's see. It's not actually that little. Let's see what we do. I want to cross that 330s with 4 minis active. That's the only thing I want to do. Look at that rejection we have once again on the 5-minute here. Nicely engulfed earlier. Nicely engulfed earlier and we turn it red. Look at that. What a silly price action. I'll move you on the 1-minute, guys. Not actually. Nah. BTC will continue. So let me share with you on the BTC. Yeah. Once Bitcoin clears this yellow trending line we have here, if you guys care about BTC, so once we clear the yellow trending line we have here, we're going mad. This is basically the trending line coming from the all-time high. Right? We've been showing pretty flat support. With today's movement, look at that. With today's movement, we're fine, we're good, we're nice. Getting close to the breakout of the yellow line. Finally, are we ready for the Nasdaq on doing something? Or it's just noise? Algos are not leaving it running. There's people accumulating shorts here that are going for the weekly opening. And you know that's basically 223, right? So keep that in mind. People accumulating shorts here, going for the weekly opening, which could actually get nicely wrecked up. We still have our trade going on here. 4 minis. Looking for the breakout above the 33 daily opening and send it on 400s. If I'm sitting in a trade till 400s, we're gonna make so much that is gonna be enough to keep it on the minimum for the rest of the days on multiple payouts. Think about it. You know, take some profits along the way. You don't have to do such thing in 4 minis. But I think that would be lovely. We just need a little impulse here, and we're gonna be quickly on 365. Come on, look at that. I'll sell something on 45. I'll sell something there. You know. There you go. Hopefully to attack that. Come on, all goes. Stop loss and break even. Keep that in mind. If they reverse on me once again here. No more trading if they reverse on me once again. No more trading today. We're going straight into giveaways. Thank you guys for joining. So Lucid Flex, best deal out there because no consistency and target on the funded stage. Look at that. Nah, look at that, guys. That's it. 1,200 profit. It's just too silly for me to continue, right? I mean, it's profit. I gotta stop dreaming about 4 minis, 100-point movements. 4 minis means 80 bucks, right? A point. 80 bucks a point times 100 points. That's actually $8,000. Whew, that's pretty juicy, guys. $8,000. What do you guys think about? You take that 8,000 and then you just make the minimum 250 bucks a day, and you do that in all the cycles. With a such trade, 100 points and 4 minis would actually give me 2 payouts, 2 cycles. That only trade, 2 cycles. It's lovely that we got out. Certainly lovely. Good decision, right? So time to do what it needs to be done, which means the wheel and the ducks. But also, time for you to like the video and finally get ready. Because the time has come. The time has come. The time has come. So, let's just fix things. How did your microphone is off once again? Trying to fix it. There's something going on with the wire. I think you can hear me right now. We're doing 3 props giveaways. 3 of them. You can hear me. I think the sound is good right now. It's all good. Great. So, listen up, guys. Listen up. How to participate? Obviously, you have to fill up the form. The second thing, like the video. Thank you guys. Like the video. The third thing is to be subscribed on my YouTube channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. daily educational giveaways, live trading, and then of course join our Discord. These are the 3 things you gotta do, plus plus the forum. The first giveaway will be 25k top 1 futures, end of the day drawdown instant funded. Right? 25k top 1 futures, end of the day drawdown instant funded. Welcome everyone. What should I give you? Alright, so let me think about. You participate by completing the form, joining pretty much everywhere. Let me think about, guys. Watch for the way we organize the numbers. Watch for that one. 10 zeros. 10 zeros. 1 number 1, 2 number 2, 3 number 3. That's the way it's going to be. 10 zeros, 1 number 1. You can start right now. Start, guys. Let me know. 10 zeros, 1 number 1, 2 number 2, 3 number 3. Good luck, everyone. Best of luck. Make sure you only have a single guess. Do not guess multiple times. A single guess per user. And you have completed the form. This is pretty satisfying. We had a great day. Overall, we had a great day. Not as yesterday, where all the accounts were in profit. We touched some losses. But still, some daily losses. But we still made money across the board. Uncomparable with yesterday's performance. 13 out of 13. Uncomparable. Stop right there, no more guesses. Stop right there, no more guesses. We're gonna shuffle this. This way. So think about, guys. You got here a sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros that are connected. The other side of the wheel is with much lower chances for you if you went for the 0. We got 7 zeros connected. If we don't hit that side, you want to go for number 3. Well, look at that. Now, I think we get into the zone of the zeros. Yeah, it's going to be the zeros, guys. We get into the zone of the zeros. It's not going to be the number 2. My pedal brake is not working to stop it here. No. Yeah, we got it to the zeros. We got you. 62%. Well, number 2. Not today. We got the 0. Congratulations for the winners. We still have more giveaways. 2 more. Look at that. What's happening here, guys? We're breaking about 330s. If this sends right now above 400s, it's exactly what we're talking about. Let's see how many winners do we have. 111. Which means we got above 100, and you know what that means. There's going to be a second round with a top 3. A second round with the top 3. There's going to be, guys. So top 3 will qualify for a second round. This is a $25,000 instant funding account for Tap on Futures. Thank you so much for joining. Solo trades. Why do you hurry up so quickly? Future trader. There's a lot of the members coming through the giveaways. We're gonna take the police dock away. You wanna see that? There you go. Someone is gonna come through. The top 3 will move to the second round. We got the BFMO33. You got this. Daffy and Mahitek. Look at that. Timolo on the 4th. Discipline dollars. But we're gonna find it out if they're actually on the list, guys. Let's just walk through together. Congratulations for the winners. Let's just walk through together and see if these boys out here are on the list. FMO33. What do you guys think about? FMO. There you go. FMO33 is here. Congratulations. Daffy. Daffy. Yes. You're right there, Daffy. And then Mahi. Mahitek. You are here. Congratulations. All the 3 have performed successfully. We're moving all these 3 guys to the second round. So we got the FM, Daffy, and Mahi. Look at that one. And we're going to put their names like this. Right? You guys will compete for 30 seconds. This is the first giveaway. We're going to have 2 more. That's a good one, buddy, Badger. I didn't knew you were a bot, man. You should have told me earlier, man. Huh. Going the other way, right? That's right. So Mahi is pushing through. Look at that one. Congratulations to the winner. Mahitek. Congratulations, Mahitek. There you go. You got this $25,000 Tap on Futures instant funding account. Time to go to the second duck race, which is going to be on different numbers. Second duck race will have we'll have 50K Lucid Pro. Lucid Pro, second giveaway, Lucid Pro. Like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. Let me tell you about the way we organize the numbers. 10 zeros. And only 3 number 1. 10 zeros and only 3 number 1s. You can start right now. Do not guess before you see the command on the chat. Keep it strong, guys. Keep it strong. Let's go. We only have 3 number 3 guys. 10 zeros, 3 number 1. Not 3 number 3. 3 number 1. Yeah, there's a lot of 1, right? There's going to be like 35, 40. So it's not worth to risk it. You're not going to be alone. Market's forcing the breakout once again above the 333. So good that I'm out of this wildfire. That's it. No more guesses. Stop right there. Stop right there. Stop right there. No more guesses. We're going to shuffle this way. We got a number one pretty spread, right? In between two zeros. Look at that. So, if this side of the wheel plays out, there's a good chance for the number one to be the winner. Best of luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. Keep it strong. We're only considering a single guess. We got on that side of the wheel, and could be the green one. It could be the green number one. Could be, but I think it's going to be the yellow 0. I think it's going to be the yellow 0. That was pretty close. I think it's going to be the yellow 0. Congratulations for the winners. We got the paddle filling the numbers. That's the 0 right there. Congratulations for the winners. I was pretty close to number one, considering the chances. $103 right there in the matrix. Guess what? Top 3 will qualify for the second round, because we have more than 100 winners. Top 3 will qualify for the second round. $50,000 Lucid Pro account. No activation, no extra fees. Take the account, bring it to the payout stage, and get the turkey. Get the turkey, guys. Cook the turkey. Put it on a turkey. Put it on a tree. Come on. 20 seconds to go. Top 3 will qualify for the second round. Who's gonna win at this time? Tantrum. Why do you speed up like that? Doc Park is coming through with... You want me to stop? You want me to stop you out? Okay. I gave you a pill, and that was it. Now Morello. Oh, Morello. And then we have Wix once again stepping in. Morello, Vix, and Dona. Let's find it out. No. Are you here? Yes, congratulations. Vix. Are you? Yes, VIX21 right there. And Dona. Are you? Yes, congratulations. So Neo, Vix, and Dona. There you go. 30 seconds. Who's gonna make it? Who's gonna make it? Come on. 10 seconds to go. We still have a giveaway, guys. We still have one more. The last one is gonna be YRM. Dona is running. Dona, you donut, is running on a naked duck. There you go. Congratulations for the winner. Congratulations for the winner. Are you here? Are you here? Looks like no messages. Looks like no messages. Maybe it's a bot. Maybe. We're gonna verify. We're gonna verify, don't worry guys. Donna is here or no? We're not seeing it. Alright guys, so the third giveaway is gonna be massive. Because let me tell you. YRM 50k account. $50k account, YRM. So let's just do the following thing. 5 zeros. Only 5. 1 number 1. 2 number 3. 3 number 3. 4 number 4. And 5 number 5. You can start right now. You can start right now. 5 zeros, 1 number 1, 2 number 2, 3 number 3, 4 number 4, and 5 number 5. That's what we got. 20 entries. Out of this 20 entries, 5 are on 0, 5 are on number 5. Think about it. Half of them are spread through 2 numbers. Half of this. Let's see guys. Nasdaq down to 200s, doing dirty things, no breakout above the daily opening, nicely holding the line. It's good that we have exited at the right time. It's the best part that we have exited at the right time. Thank you so much guys for joining today. We had a lovely session. Maybe not the best from the trading standpoint, but still make good money. $200. Trading at the 200s. Stop right there, no more guesses. It's over. It's the last giveaway for today. We're continuing. But we're gonna shuffle, guys. We're gonna shuffle this. Because it's complicated, right? Keep in mind, scramble coupon code for the highest discounts. Links on our Discord. We got a sales tab with weekly roundup. Best promotions of the week right there. This is the way we're gonna be, guys. Pretty mixed up, right? Cheers, everyone. Take your time. We've got our Japanese green tea. I gotta get myself a new cup. Is that gonna be the red number 5? What do you guys think about the red number 5 or the blue number 3? Blue number 3 or red number 5? I think we stop on the blue number 3. I think we stop here on the blue number 3. Look at that. Is that real? We got you. Blue number 3 confirmed. Congratulations for the winner. Congratulations for the winner. If we have more than 100, you're going to do the second round. But it's very unlikely. Just 29. Ho ho! What a big chance for the ones qualifying to finally put their hands on a YRM account. So these guys will actually compete for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Swim pretty hard. Shuffle. Start. There you go. Best of luck, everyone. Let me take my face away. Best of luck, everyone. Keep it strong. Let's go. Did you guys get your number 3? Maddie, Totsi? You gotta look that up. You gotta look that up on the stream. I don't know its exact name. Should be in the chat, right? Come on. Well, look how we got here. Keep it going. This is the YRM account, 50K. Keep it going. Who's gonna speed up right now? Tello, are you speeding up or the strawberry comes from behind? Oaken, there you go, Oaken. Time for you to win this, Oaken. Are you here, Oaken? That's crazy. Look at that. That's crazy, buddy. Let's see, are you on the list or did you forget about? Ah, you didn't forget. You didn't. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations, buddy. Oh, look at a third rank, so close. Tello second ranked. Big numbers out there. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. What's happening here? We got a pump and dump session, right? Great and lovely times out here. Thank you so much, guys. So, winners, drop me a message. Winners on Discord. You got all the sales and promotions as a weekly roundup here under the sales and promotions tab. That's the place we're going to always post on Monday what is for the week. And whenever there is an update change, we're going to update it here as well. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely time, lovely week. Wish you the best, guys. Looking forward to it. You're going to get a 24 hours timeout to enjoy your time and be more productive on other stuff. Thank you so much, guys. Have a lovely time once again. We'll talk to you next time tomorrow. We keep it up. Thank you once again, guys.